drop shipping with Forever Living products. Hello, Oliver Lepke here, and in this video I'm going to be explaining today what is drop shipping and how it works with Forever Living products. So I have a few items here on the list that I'm going to be following and explaining how drop shipping works with Forever Living products. First, what is drop shipping? It's kind of like a buzzword lately, more and more. It's been around for many years, but many people are not aware of it. Some people have heard about it, and some people are using it and making money with drop shipping all around the world. And the great thing is that Forever Living offers drop shipping as well. So first, what is drop shipping? The drop shipping is pretty much a service where a company has a product and you can have that company ship products on your behalf to your prospects, to your customers. So all you have to do is engage, connect, and register with that company so that you have access to these products, so that you can properly, accordingly present this company and these products, introduce it to your products, to your prospects, online, offline, and then when the customer agrees to buy, customer will purchase these products through you from that company, and that company will ship the products directly to your customer. So that way you don't have to touch the product, you don't have to have the product, you don't have to package the product, you don't have to prepare the product, you don't have to ship the product, you don't have to build a customer, you don't have to do anything with the shipping and also returns, labels, tracking, none of that thing. So it makes your life a lot easier when it comes to delivering products to your customers, to your prospects. However, there's quite a few things that are very important and you need to understand, you need to follow in order to be successful drop shipper. And first, now you understand what is drop shipping and how it works. Second, another thing is you need to find, if you're not familiar with different products in different industries, you need to understand good industry. Because I've seen throughout many years, and I've been doing drop shipping for like over 15 years, I've been using drop shipping, and not only here in Canada or United States, North America, but also many other countries. And I've gained a lot of knowledge, a lot of experience, and I'm familiar with many other companies and industries because I've seen other industries come and go, and a lot of people are very tempted to go into non-tangible products or electronic products, but those products, they're kind of hot at the moment, but then in 6 months, even in 3 months, some of these products become obsolete. So you have to change the product, change the pricing, change everything, and then always kind of hunt and always run after these different products that you have to find and change and things like that, and change companies and so on. So it's important to find a good industry. And when it comes to industry, there's no better industry than health and wellness. I've never seen in the world of civilization that so much more people are now interested to be healthy and living well, because things are changing so fast, and how we work and what we do, because we sit so much, we sit in the car, we sit at work. So many people are looking now to be active and be healthy, and the food is not the same as it used to be. So health and wellness industry is just growing like no other industry. So health and wellness is stable, and it's also growing at a great rate, which means more and more people, like never before, will be looking for natural, good health and wellness products that they can use for themselves and for their families. So number one, good industry, health and wellness industry. Once you know your industry, then you need to find a company that's reputable, company that has great products, company that also offers good percentage on your drop shipping. Some companies only offer like 5, 10% or 15%, even less. Like many Amazon products, like they're like between 5 to 10% profit, and people are still doing so much with Amazon and doing drop shipping with Amazon products, and they're just paying like 5 to 10%. Now, on some electronics and some like digital products, the percentage could be higher, like 30, 40%, and in some cases up to 60%. However, those digital products, like I mentioned, they're cool today, but in 1 year, completely obsolete, even 6 months or even less. So in health and wellness, the products that are being sold now, they're going to be more and more in demand as every year they're going to be more and more in demand, where the digital products, the demand goes down. Make sense? So once you have the industry, then you find a company, you find a product, and then you find a company that has great products, great reputation, and that offers good percentage on sales, on drop shipping. And today we're talking about ForeverLiving and drop shipping. So ForeverLiving has been around for almost 5 decades, and it's been continuously growing and still keeps growing. It's been around for 5 decades, has amazing products, and with everything that they have in place in terms of quality of the products, type of products, good pricing, and reputable management and company, and everything else in place, they're going to be around for another 50 years, another 150 years. So, great company. And when it comes to products, ForeverLiving offers great natural health and wellness products, nutritional products, skincare products, and all these products are more and more in demand because people want to be healthy, people want to look good, people want to feel good, and that's the kind of products more and more people will be looking for. And then, what's the percentage the company offers when it comes to profitability and retailing? So, ForeverLiving offers up to 48% profit on retail products. So depending on what level you're at, you start at 5% and then quickly you can get to 30%, 35%, also easy, 38%, almost guaranteed. As soon as you become supervisor, you have 38% guaranteed. And then if you put a little bit more work, more effort, you can go up to 48% profit when you're retailing, when you're drop shipping these ForeverLiving products. So it's pretty valuable, it's pretty profitable, I would say. So all you have to do now is kind of get registered, learn how it works, understand drop shipping, understand how to create proper links. So when somebody who is interested in particular products, that link takes them directly into that product and not overall somewhere on the page or home page, and they have to figure out where the product is and that kind of stuff. And then whether you're drop shipping in different regions or different countries, because you have to use different link when you're drop shipping products in Canada, and you have to use different drop shipping link when you're selling products in United States or Australia or South Africa. So you have to learn and understand how that works. And I've been doing these things for many years, and we do have trainings in place that explain how to create links, how to properly create these different links for the proper drop shipping with ForeverLiving. So that's how it works, and these are the key things that I wanted to share. And once you understand, once you are set up, then it comes to marketing part. Because you can have all the links, but if you don't have customers who are going to buy these products, you're not going to have any sales. So then you have to understand marketing, and then you have to understand what you need to learn to have the right marketing tools in place so that you actually continuously have sales. And there are different ways how you can do this. If you have time and no money, then you can put your personal work on that, and you can do some personal work and personal marketing so that people actually buy those products, and then company Forever Living will drop ship these products for you. Now, if you don't have time, but you have money, then you can have your money work for you, and you can put some money into the marketing so that your money is marketing products for you. And then when you have sales, and let's say you put even $100 into marketing, but if you make $200, $300, $400 of sales or profit, then you can just start scaling that. Even if you put $100 and your profit is $120, or your sales are, your profit is $20, then you just keep scaling. But you have to find that fine spot, learn how to do it, and then scale. And then, not only that, once you understand how this works, the best part of it, you can start introducing this model to other people, because you will have a model that works for you, that makes money for you, and you can start introducing this model to other people. And then you can combine drop shipping with Forever Living and network marketing. So you can introduce this business to other people, and then your team, you can have a team of people who are drop shipping, and they're making money for themselves. On top of that, you would also be making a percentage of their sales, which is even more powerful. And then you can really take it to any level. You have ambitions, a desire, and capacity to do so. So that's how it works, and that's how drop shipping works with Forever Living products. If you're not registered with Forever Living, I would like to invite you to connect with me to learn more, and we can schedule a Zoom meeting so you can learn more about how you can get started. And if you're already registered, you can reach out to your sponsor and see if they can help you, or feel free to connect with me as well, and I can answer your question. But normally, if you're already registered, you would need to work with your own sponsor. However, I'm willing to help. I'm willing to answer some questions and put you in the right direction. However, again, if you're not registered, then I would like to invite you to schedule a meeting with me, half an hour free meeting, where I can answer your questions, explain how everything works, and then if you're interested, you could also join Forever Living and start drop shipping with Forever Living, and we can create a plan, get you some training, create a plan so that you can start drop shipping business for yourself with me and with Forever Living Products Company. Thank you for checking this video, and I'll see you again in another one. Bye for now.